March 20th, my birthday.
Welcome to XRP After Dark, exclusive rabbit hole news, documenting the great wealth transfer, nightly at 7 p.m.
Warning, bullish content. March 20th, first day of spring, and a bullish birthday. Yeah. I'd like to welcome everybody to XRP After Dark. You never know who's going to show. Happy birthday. March 20th, first day of spring is my birthday. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate it. And we got one hell of a rabbit hole tonight. Once again, IMF, very excited about digital currency. But I also cracked a rabbit hole on FSOC, Financial Stability Oversight Council. I found a new member on that council that backs digital currency. Guys, it's truly coming, that's for sure. So we're going to jump down that. The IMF highlights the benefits of digital currency, and we're also going to highlight the Financial Stability Oversight Council. Let me tweet this, smash that thumbs up, hit that subscribe. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Seek out professional advice. FSOC real time. Okay. Yep. Damn right. Yep. Bam. Let's get this party started. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Let me see one thing real quick too. Hold up. I forgot to. Alright. Let's get this started. Thank you guys big time for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And we got a hell of a rabbit hole tonight, guys. One rabbit hole that I've been down often is the Financial Stability Oversight Council. And I actually ran across something on accident right before the stream, which is kind of amazing. So, and if you guys, I'm pretty sure you're familiar with the FSOC, which is, you know, a heavyweight from each government organization, like Jay Clayton, SEC, Stephen Mnuchin, U.S. Treasury Department, the new CFTC F guy who came out and said Bitcoin, Ethereum are commodities, and they asked him about XRP. So pretty much we're talking about the who's who of who's who. But first, legendary Alex Sheik, G-Man Dallas. What up, G-Man? Good to see you. Edward Franz, XRP Leprechaun, Carl Eric B. Huge shout out to you, my brother. You guys hear me okay? XRP Well, 858. Good to see you, bro. Import Auto Pros. Oh, Crypto. Whoa. Crypto Queen is in the house. Happy birthday, legend. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Michael Angelo, Crypto Revolution, XRP Moonrider. Alexander. Are they okay, let me see. Carl Eric B. Coach Joe, good to see you. Rustic Dad, XRP Free Me, Bet the Vet in LA, San Francisco, the Bay Area. Danny the Legend Loft is here. Damn right, Danny. D Miller, Robert Mina, Chi-Town, D Daniels, Legendary, X-Wing, Edward Franz, Crypto Queen with the super. Whoa, hold up here. Hold up. Don't worry, guys. That's not the beer flu. Whoa. I want to give a huge shout out to Crypto Queen for the super chat. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. That's amazing right there. And XRP Matt Morrow. Bro, I was just talking to you before the stream. Happy birthday, my bro CKJ. Wishing you all the best on your special day. Too many more happy, healthy years. Rich ones too. My call, 11:59 p.m. CKJ's birthday wish 589 per XRP. Love from my family brother. XRP Matt Morrow, thank you big time, dude. I really appreciate that. And holy moly, moly, oh good God, Crypto Queen with the I believe that's $100 bomb right there. God, Crypto Queen, thank you so much. Happy birthday. Have a blessed one, King. Whoa, I'm honored and thank you so much. That right there really means the world to me. Big time. You almost made me cry. You almost made me cry on my birthday. Wow, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, huge shout out to everybody that was just, you know, oh man, on the morning stream was insane. Thank you guys big time too. Actually, I was thinking today, the Bullish family is actually what, made my birthday, talking to y'all, being friends with y'all, friends all across the whole globe. That's kind of amazing because, prior birthdays, you don't get, birthday wishes from London and Australia and Mexico and Spain. And, I'm blessed and honored. Thank you guys big time. I appreciate that. uh Mitchell. Believe it or not, I was on this IMF article. This kind of connects back to one of the bearable guy things because the guy who actually is speaking of digital currencies now, and he talks about the benefits of digital currency. He actually was the one that did, I believe he was the same one that did the money flower. About 2 years ago, they came out with the money flower with the different colors. If you guys remember that, that was a long time ago. Damn, time flies. That's for sure. What up, Dan Rob? Good to see you. Crypto Queen, that was amazing. Thank you so much. K Dub, Night Wolf, Mitchell Player. We should work on that, my brother, Mitchell Player. That's for sure. G Man, oh, huge shout out to you, G Man. Joe Barker, Inca Crypto, and Rose and Crypto Queen. Oh, what the? Hold up, hold up, hold up. Welcome to the fam. Welcome to the fam. That's for sure. Welcome to the fam. I appreciate that. That's for sure. Just smash thumbs up here and there, and say hi to new people if you recognize. Whatever, don't matter. Thank you so much. I appreciate that big time. Uh, Guys, we got a hell of a show tonight. Believe it or not, benefits of a digital currency, which the IMF speaks of, and you guys see the Trump thing also too, and I've seen people debating this on Twitter. What's he talking about? Is he talking about the payment system, or are they talking about what's going on with the beer flu? To me, I mean, I look like it like to me personally, I think he's covering it from all directions, right? Like basically, so he says this administration inherited an obsolete, broken old system, which could be the payment system. We discarded that system, and now we have a new system. It's incredible what we have done, and this new system will now serve for the future. It's almost fully in gear. Are we talking about the beer flu here, or are we talking about executive order? That's kind of, I don't understand. What up, Michelangelo? Good to see you. I can't thank you guys enough for tuning in. Let me see one thing. Oh, yeah, guys. And I cracked the new FSOC member, which I can't. Oh, man, this is insane. Okay, there we go. Whoa. All right, back to the stream. Oh, XRP Georgia boy. Happy birthday, bro. Good to see you, Georgia boy. How you been, dude? Unplugged. Just trying to give it a couple seconds, then we're gonna get it started. Rich, Carney, Niz. Oh, shout out to my brother Handle. I'm not gonna say too much, but I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna see. It is getting kind of weird out there, though, guys. Is the cure for the virus is buying 10,000 XRP. Danny Law said the cure for the virus is to buy 10,000 XRP a day for 5 days, then call the doc in the morning. I like to say, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for definitely entertainment purposes only. Thank you guys for being here. If you guys can smash that thumbs up and hit that subscribe, I appreciate it. Maybe the king in the oven from Big BG123 was Trump after all. My thing is, and I got this actually from multiple different tweets. Everybody's tweeting this one right here. Shout out to, well, Digital Asset Daily was the first one to start it right here. So he was the first one to start.
Administration inherited.
I don't even know if I can play it, but you guys know what he says. So Digital Asset Daily was the first one to start the tweet, and then basically huge shout out to him, link in the description. But then I also noticed this guy right here, Reborn13, he revised the tweet and he said, "Are you listening closely? TikTok XRP is on the clock." So I'm like, hold up here, hold up. I think Crypto Queen covered that. One world currency pending. That's what I'm clearly thinking too, guys, because the way this is rolling out with the banking thing, the financial thing, and actually, guys, it's gonna roll directly with this FSOC Financial Stability Oversight Council, because we keep uncovering more and more people that are bigwigs in each government agency that are backing crypto. And I actually just cracked another one tonight, so this is going to be huge, guys. I can't believe I ran across this, you know, because there is a few other members on there that on the FSOC that we haven't uncovered. Shout out to Peru Crypto. Happy birthday, my brother. Thank you big time, Peru. You're a legend, dude. I appreciate that. Matter of fact, now that you bring that up, believe it or not, guys, I do want to throw a heave warning out there. I was reading something about one company that closed down, and they had something to do with crypto. So my biggest thing, and actually Danny even brought up a really good point about a ledger earlier too, just because, you know, it's kind of hard to determine what's going to happen, but, you know, if there was some kind of power outage or something like that, maybe a ledger is a good idea. So I did listen to that, Danny, on that right there. But the other thing is like dealing with an exchange that just doesn't really have a lot of liquidity or volume. So, you know, guys, I definitely recommend Binance US and Coinbase, you know, uphold, but, you know, I'd be really careful dealing with different exchanges, that's for sure. And I guess that goes back to the original rule of just get your crypto off the exchange anyway. What up, Scotty? XRP. Yeah, Danny's a legend. So, as for me, this administration inherited an obsolete, broken old system. We discarded that system, and we now have a new system. Clearly, guys, I mean, and the way they're tying this with the money issue, to me personally, let me just see what a couple comments says. I'm kind of curious. XRP is my baby, but he's most likely talking about this guy. XRP famous said XRP is my baby, but he's most likely talking about Icon. You gotta be joking me. He was speaking in context of the government healthcare infrastructure. I mean, you can look at it that way also. You know, double plus meanings, says Reborn. I'm with Reborn on that right there, that's for sure. Okay, KYC Bitstamp. I think Bitstamp is a trusted exchange, right? I think Bitstamp is even in the USA, right? Scotty, Danny, Loft, M Grimes, thank you big time, bro. Crypto Queen, thank you so much for being here, and thank you big time for that bomb. I appreciate that. That's for sure. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think Bitstamp is a USA exchange, if I'm not mistaken. What you talking about, Willis? I used to watch that show when I was younger right there. I used to watch that one right there. And then basically, where's the other one at right here? Then the one with, okay, yeah, then Bearable Bull had his version of it too. So here's Bearable Bull's version of it right here. So we got basically Digital Asset Daily landed out plain and simple. The administration inherited an obsolete, broken system. To me, I personally think we're talking about the payment infrastructure. And then we have the guy that did the TikTok, like Bearable guy. TikTok XRP is on the clock. And then Bearable Bull jumped in there with his version and said, Donald Trump confirms new system has been created. We have been given the red carpet treatment. Damn. I think I like Bearable Bull's tweet the most as far as a mic drop right there. Oh yeah, good show, Arnold. Yeah, what you talking about, Arnold? Yeah, that's for sure. What up, Patel? So yeah, guys, believe it or not, for all the people that Oh no. That's kind of ironic that that happens to me during the stream. It must happen from when you just start talking a lot. But you know, you don't want to be making noises like that because you know if you see somebody beside you do that in the store or something, you're like, whoa, you know, like real cautious to everybody now. Thank you, M. Grimes. Ford. This is one thing I said over and over, guys, is you know, I believe on this journey towards the internet of value, certain things have happened that have definitely, you know, been in our favor. You know, one has been, you know, actually, I'm not going to bring up that would be like me mentioning everything that happened bad. But, you know, one thing was the supply of XRP. I always believe the supply played a factor in the price because I knew they created more of a supply for the job it was going to do. So utility will catch up to, you know, utility will, you know, bring the true value eventually soon. But I also know that we have major connections with the executive order with, my apologies. I should have put that on silent. With with Trump and the executive order. Now we got this what epidemic, and I'm not here to judge the epidemic to say hey, yay, no, nay, whatever. But I know something huge is going on, and of course it brought the crypto prices down once again. So like, damn, like basically I done rode Tezos from 30 cents to $3 multiple times, back to $1, $1.50. Now XRP is what 10 for $1. 15 16 cent. I mean, like, damn, the opportunities have actually been we have been given the red carpet treatment. Bearable Bull laid it out right there. And if people ain't taking heave and getting them ducks in order, no way. Stop playing. Your comment almost seems too hard to believe, but that would make a lot of sense. My brother Lifestyle right here says, huge news. He works for the bank in Nevada, and we are shutting down early tomorrow with Finstra, which Finstra, what? You know, we tied to Ripple, to upgrade our systems exclusive for blockchain and other background systems. And believe it or not, I'm telling you, actually, I'm so glad you said that, bro. This is going to go exactly with the article I got tonight right here with the lady from the Financial Stability Oversight Council, who is basically in charge of the banking system, and her job is to bring fintech and banking together. So, as my brother Lifestyle right here, he just basically, you know, he put a cherry on top. I'll show you guys where we at. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Yeah, I want to give you guys a shout out to Digital Asset Daily for finding that one right there. Uh, this is it right here. This is how the rabbit hole started right here. No, that's what I'm saying, bro. I know you're not lying because actually, what you just said is actually it goes exactly what we're talking about tonight. The rabbit hole I got right here. Regulator open. Regulator open to allowing non-bank companies to build banking business. But this is how the rabbit hole starts. So I was like, whoa. But shout out to Alex Yeet. Yeah, Alex Yeet. Where's my brother Yeet at? Alex Sheet actually tagged me in this. So Alex Sheet is a legend. Send him a tip. FinTech mobile banks the future, and this is regulator open to allowing bank companies to build banking business. So then that brought me to this article right here. So that brought me to the guy from Square. So Square receives approval to build banking arm and regulatory changes. So I was like, Square. I said I read this, but let me check this out. So rabbit hole time. Edward knows it's coming, right? Huh? Rabbit hole time, guys. So as I was reading this right here, payment processor Square will have something in common, banking service. So that we know that news. But then when I scroll down here, I said, hold up. I recognize this lady. That's the lady from the FSOC, Financial Stability Oversight Council, because I've done that rabbit hole stuff before. So I said, hold on, how's she tied to this? So what's going on here? Because guys, we've been constantly getting uh top people from, you know, the SEC, CFTC, what was the other one, that basically are saying they're backing digital currencies and crypto. Now we got Jelena McWilliams right here, which I ran across this. So, and I'll show you guys right here. Here goes the Financial Stability Oversight Council right here. Financial Stability Oversight Council. You go to the board members, and of course you got Steve Mnuchin, who oversees it. Steve Mnuchin right there. Jay Clayton, right? We got Jay Clayton, Mr. Big Money himself, SEC. And then Joseph Otting is being replaced with the guy from Coinbase. Remember the guy, Brian Brooks, he's taking Joseph Otting's seat right here as the OCC. But then you got Jelena McWilliams right here. So I'm like, whoa, hold up. Financial Stability Oversight Council again? No way. So what's she talking about? So you got Beverly Hills, Jelena McWilliams, Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation in panel discussion at the Milken Institute. Okay, hold on. I think this might have been the same. Nah, this was the year prior right here. My bank switched over to Ripple Partner 2 months ago. Believe it or not, guys, I really think that a lot of these banks are already operating with the technology, but they just haven't said it yet because, of course, they're still operating under, a sandbox initiative. So they don't have to, like, really come out with the information until at least law backs that. Oh, Kevin Harden, that's a big bag, bro. Your bag's gonna bust. Oh, what up, KPA Studios? Good to see you. You know I stop in the middle to say what's up. It's my birthday. What can I say? 5 XRP per person. Is that what they're gonna send out, Alexander? What up, D-Balk? Chris Brown. Chris Brown's here. Good to see you, bro. Montana Crypto Love showed up. What up, love? So here's Jelena McWilliams right here. So I said, let me do some research on her. So bam. So here's how the fintech companies are getting into banking. Formal guidance on bank fintech partnership is coming. FDIC McWilliams says. And this article right here is from November 5th, 2019. So the industry need, and believe it or not, I also remember the rabbit hole I did on her before, and this is why Brad Garlinghouse says banks will hold crypto, because banks will hold crypto. This is the head of the FDIC chair right here. The industry needs consistent formal guidance on how banks and fintechs should work together, according to Jelena McWilliams, FSOC Jelena McWilliams. Mic drop. My job here is done for tonight. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Damn right. What? What up, JR? Good to see you, bro. Thank you, KPA Studios. Come on, guys. You see that I pretty much cracked every single person. I can only imagine some of the rest of the players on here. You know, my biggest thing is about constantly cracking open these FSOC members is they're all for fintech. They're all for banking now. The system is so much different than when I first got into crypto in 2017. When I first got in crypto in 2017, I didn't think it, I thought it was even going to blow up right away or this wasn't going to make it. But clearly we can see that all the pieces are coming together, that's for sure. Damn, what the hell happened? Did something just happen like, did like somebody just open the door and let all y'all in here or something? 144K XRP would be life changing. What? Bro, that's big XRP right there. It's actually kind of hot today. Birthday. First day of spring. The stars aligned. The stars and the moon aligned on this day. And BULLZILLA was born on March 20th. Oh, what up, John A? Good to see you. Danny Law for the super chat. Thank you big time, Danny, the legend. And Danny, you better take care of yourself, my brother, too. They don't need to sign up. Last October was Swift GPI T -21 update that gives banks the XRP option. They don't need to sign up with Ripple. Swift customers have the option, just waiting for reds. I would almost believe that. I would almost believe that all systems are a go. As a matter of fact, exactly what my one brother, Danny Law, thank you so much, dude. You have been such a big supporter for a very long time. What's that, Queen? Is that March 20th? The Persian New Year? Is the Persian New Year March 20th? Because I see you say best day to be born. That got to be March 20th. John A, thank you big time for the super chat, John. You're a legend. I can't thank you enough either, John. Thanks for being you. Thanks for being you, dude. I really appreciate that. Big time. I'm kind of curious what day the Persian. Okay, yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect. See, yeah, that makes sense to me. The best day of the year. Oh man, D-Balk. I don't know, bro. D-Balk said if we live close, we'd go out tonight and we'd party big time. I don't know, bro. If we go out and party, now I'm just messing with you. Uh, no, I'm just playing with you. Yeah, that's for sure. Oh, what up, Rose? Oh man, Rose, stop playing. Happy birthday on behalf of me and RMax76. Keep the crypto news coming. Rose, thank you so much, Rose. Rose, John A. And, whoa, what? Good, what? Hold up. Hold on. Fill my eyes with that double vision. Do I see double vision? Or is that. Hold on. I think there's an error on the computer. Hold on. Happy birthday on behalf of me and RMax76. Keep the crypto news coming. Rose with the two $25 bombs. Damn, Rose. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Wow. That's amazing. You are amazing, Rose. Thank you big time. March 20th, the first day of spring, is the Persian New Year, and the real New Year, in my opinion, makes sense to have a New Year when everything comes to life again. Great birthday date. Yeah, and believe it or not, it's also the first day of spring, so that's like today was beautiful. It's nice out. You just feel great. So for everybody tuning in, my apologies real quick, guys. It's my birthday today, and I can't thank you all for tuning in. If you guys can smash some thumbs up, hit that subscribe. Coach Joe, John A, Rose, Crypto Queen, thank you guys so much. So, and where's my one guy that said they were changing up his bank information real quick with that one statement he made? Because that truly goes with this right here. Jelena McWilliams and she's the head of the FDIC. Now, guys, if you also recall, Coinbase is FDIC insured now, right? Coinbase is FDIC insured. I'm telling you guys, we've been getting played the whole time, really, by all these big players. They all have been in crypto. They all been getting. I can only imagine how much crypto they probably really own. If you think about it, for her to be the head of the FDIC, she had to have been the one to give the green light to Coinbase as far as which they insure their USDC. I'm not saying they're insuring the crypto as of because this is banking insurance, federal deposit something something, but they're covering the USDC, which is backed by the US dollar, which is their stable coin or whatever. But Coinbase is insured by that and Binance US. So this is the one that does that, and now we understand why too. And not to mention because Brian Brooks was owned a bank with Steve Mnuchin, and he was the law guy at Coinbase. I'm telling you guys, we've been getting played the whole time, and this is about to be, they're about to roll this out for sure. The industry needs constant formal guidance on how banks and fintech should work together, according to McWilliams. So they were saying, oh, banks wouldn't use XRP. Banks aren't interested. Trust me, banks are very interested. Don't let them fool you. Regulators must be less suspicious of innovation. Huh? Come on now. See, the thing is, it's the information is out there. You just gotta dig a little bit deeper. No, see, I think is on John A. I think is all Coinbase, FDIC, and short or just USD. No, I think it's the USD and the USDC is FD, all these initials, FDIC insured. But I think they keep the 90% of the digital currency in a cold wallet. So, but I don't think that's insured as far as is. I don't think the crypto is insured yet. But they say they keep it in the cold wallet. But to even for Coinbase to even have or to offer FDIC to anything is insane. That's insane for a fintech company to offer you that kind of insurance is almost unheard of. So regulators must be less suspicious of innovation. They risk putting banks at a competitive disadvantage to non-banks, McWilliams says. So really, all the pieces is coming together, especially after the Brian Brooks information. For anybody that just tuned in a couple days ago, guys, which is still huge news, Brian Brooks, who was the chief law guy at Coinbase, just got picked by Steve Mnuchin to join the Financial Stability Oversight Council, and he's going to take this guy's seat right here, Joseph Otting, OCC. So we got a guy from Coinbase who's joining the FSOC, which is like, whoa, like no way, get out of here. Wes Walk with the super chat, my brother, happy birthday, CKJ. Thank you so much, Wes Walk. I appreciate that, dude. You guys are amazing, big time. One rough Rican. I love that mug, my brother. I love that mug. That's I love the picture of that mug, Rican, right there. One rough Rican, thank you so much, bro. CKJ, happy birthday, brother from Rican, and shout out to your wife, shout out to your family, Rican. Thank you so much, dude. I appreciate that. Wes, Wes Wilk. I said it right that time. Wes Wilk, thank you so much, bro. You guys are amazing. Oh, Rose, that's amazing. Thank you so much. Spanish. Yeah, actually, Danny had me a little bit nervous today when he messaged me. He was talking about, just in case there's a blackout, you might want to get a ledger. Now, I mean, I like the thing is, I don't want to be the guy that pushes conspiracy theories on what's going to happen because I have no idea. But it's I guess it's to each individual what makes you feel safe. What up, Viking? So good to see you, bro. But at the end of the day, Ledger is the best way. So link in the description for my buddy Spanish Flies Ledger link. Or matter of fact, Spanish or mod, you can probably put that link in here. I gotta look out for my buddy Spanish. Um, oh yeah, let's get to the good stuff. So we covered. So guys, right there, basically, we cracked that one right there. And this is before I jump off of this real quick. This is exactly why Brad Garlinghouse said banks will hold digital assets. Banks can't wait to hold digital assets. They seen how much money Coinbase made. Coinbase made $800 million in 1 year. Coinbase had an insider the whole time from Steve Mnuchin's camp, which was Brian Brooks, and I've said that over and over. So I think you guys get that. Uh, Most of the banking agencies, the Federal Reserve and the Officer of Controller Currency and the FDIC, as well as market regulators, the CFTC and the SEC, have some form of innovation effort. Woo! Huh? Whether they call it tech, lab, or innovation on the premises. While we're working individually within our mandates on how to foster innovation, should there be something bigger than that? Yeah, it's called digital currency. Welcome to the Internet of Value. As we look to update our super value approach, and all agencies are on the table. Yeah, I just showed you guys every single big agency is backing this. So, Will I Am looked like he did some research. Insured only for USDC, which is insane. For Coinbase to say, listen, we offer FDIC insurance, that's like no way. So basically, and USDC is the one I was playing with the other day. And believe it or not, you can get more interest on your USDC on Coinbase than a regular banking account. And remember, I was saying, guys, in the future, and you heard it here first, people are going to have their checks directly deposited into Coinbase into USDC. For people that you get like I don't know, you get how much percent you get on it. You get like a hell of a percent. So that's kind of insane. And you can't lose your money because it's insured, and they're offering you a better percentage than a bank. It's a U.S. regulated exchange, or Coinbase is a brokerage. So, and I'm not a financial advisor. Trust Wallet. Stop playing, D-Balk. Don't make me say that, bro. Don't make me say that, D-Balk. Uh-oh. I always like having both sides of the coin to cause a little bit of controversy. It makes it fun. D-Balk says, I have a ledger. But should I read that? Now let me stop. He says, I have a ledger. But if you ever read the user agreement, they are basically not responsible for anything that happens to your crypto on it. But I'm assuming it's super. Believe it. I'm just messing with you guys. Now, believe it or not, I do got a ledger, and you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use this thing. I'm gonna hook it up and play with it. So I'll give you guys some better information on this ledger, and how it works, and is it really worth it? But from what I understand, it is the safest way. But I am gonna see what's going on with this ledger myself. Do they got stake? Can you stake? Can you stake coins on the ledger? That's a good question. Can you stake? Can you stake on the ledger? Crypto caveman. Food. Yeah, believe it or not, if something breaks out, I'm going to G-Man. G-Man lives in Texas. I can only imagine what kind of artillery he's got. No, I'm just joking. Okay, so Vapor Wizard says I stake on the ledger. Okay, that's damn man. You can stake on your ledger. Oh, Kenny Williams, bro. I ran across an amazing Tezos article. I'm saving it for the morning show, but I got a badass Tezos article. But anyway, I'm telling you, a real good one. Anyway, formal guidance on bank fintech partnership is coming. Banks will hold crypto. I'll translate this. Banks will hold crypto. FDIC. I read it to you guys. You see it plain as day. Shout out to Deshaun, the legend Goodwin. Awake and embrace the new frontier. Wes Wilk, you're a legend, bro. Rican, happy birthday, brother. Thank you so much, Rican. I'm glad I looked back. Dixieland XRP. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. What's that? Oh, happy birthday, HBD CKJ. Thank you, big time. I appreciate that. And actually, guys, I wanted to say shout out to Malachi Lawrence and XRP Snakebite. I think I missed you guys. It was like yesterday or something like that. You know one thing, guys, that's why I really like the Uphold app, and I think if you guys got the Uphold app, they got a really interesting app also. And Uphold's a trusted exchange also, and I think they're in the UK though, but I think there's still a good Uphold. You can trust Uphold. But like D-Bulk says, I invest in precious metals, lead and brass. But on there, you can like convert your currencies. You can invest in all kind of metals, platinum, gold, silver. And I want to give a huge shout out to my brother Hollywood Viper retweet 10. Damn, $25 bomb, dude. Thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate that. Happy born day. It's a blessing to meet you in my life journey. Whoa, it's a blessing to meet you, my brother. Through streaming technology. And believe it or not, that comment right there is exactly what I was thinking today. I was like, damn, like, wow, like just to have the opportunity to talk to so many people across the world and, have met so many people and the Bullish family, I've been talking to on Twitter. Like, that's a blessing. Like, wow, thank you guys so much. It's unheard of. Uphold's good for the brave browser. Thank you so much, Hollywood Viper. And one day, guys, I'm going to meet you all. World Tour. Shout out to Deshaun, the legend, Goodwin, of course, Superman. Central Bank. No, guys, here's another thing real quick. You guys, IMF and all these people was not talking like this in the beginning. Now, central bank digital currency, incredible rich areas, says IMF. No, this is the article right here, is central bank digital currency, where he says right here, basically, he talks, this is the guy from the IMF, central bank digital currency. But it's still the same thing, bridge asset, wall garden, CBDC, but it's still the IMF, which is International Monetary Fund, which Ripple is on the IMF, International Monetary Fund. But now they're pretty much talking benefits of digital currency emphasized. So we went from, oh, crypto's a scam, we'll never use it. So now the benefits of digital currency, addresses underscores blockchain revolutionary appeal. Tai Zhang, deputy managing director of the International Monetary Fund, has made a strong argument, like the Bullish family, strong argument for the development of a central bank digital currency, CBDC. He asserts that as a new asset class, they hold tremendous promise. Damn, I mean, that right there alone, guys, is like, come on now. So, and of course, some would say, okay, CBDC would take away from actual digital currency. But the thing is, we know that each bank or each institution can only have their own CBDC. They have to have some kind to bridge asset. And what company is out there laying that foundation, working with MoneyGram, working with the executive order? Got Trump talking like this right here.
Old system that wasn't meant for this.
Wasn't meant for this, guys. We're talking about the new system. And and basically the IMF is emphasizing it also. Damn right. I bought a bag, Alexander. I'd like to welcome everybody to XRP After Dark, guys. We do this show every single night at 7 p.m. EST. If you guys can smash that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, we might be able to hit 21K right here in this stream right now. I think we're only like 20 subs away. 21K, let's do it right now. 21K, come on now. I don't even think it would update anyway. Oh, thank you big time, the Crypto Caveman. Believe it or not, and that's what I think too. That's what I'm saying, guys. From everything they're rolling out to the Brian Brooks Coinbase thing, Jelena McWilliams, the big picture on innovation. I mean, pretty much, guys, the money Coinbase made. You know, the one guy from Coinbase also went to be the president of Bot. Remember Kelly that we talked about on the morning stream, who basically supposedly did the insider trading. She got elected to the Senate. Well, at the same time, the guy from Coinbase got, took over at ICE at Bot or yeah, ICE, right? The one guy, I don't know. He actually was from Morgan Goldman Sachs also. There was a big guy from Goldman Sachs who's one of the co-founders at Coinbase, and now he leads Backs or ICE. So they're just moving people around and stuff in their bags. So, oh yeah, pumped y'all up. Oh, D Daniels, I'm not sleeping on no digital currencies, my brother. Whoa, birthday present. The legend is here. Some real guy. Some real guy. What up, bro? Good to see you, my brother. Huh? Some real guy started with him in like 2017, way back in the day. Huh? Some real guy's a legend. There's some people that's been here for a long, long time. I appreciate that. Oh, Eric Goodwin. Good to see you, bro. All right, so this is the guy from the IMF. Of course, you guys know that Ripple is on the high-level advisory board, the IMF, International Monetary Fund. Chris Larson, then Ryan Zagone. Of course, Brad Garlinghouse and Madame Lagarde. They have a relation. They have a bond that can't be broken. Uh, oh man, just today's my birthday. Just blessed, bro. Blessed. Some real guy, that's for sure. Caste of society, most important. And believe it or not, from watching the news, like don't watch the news, guys, unless you want to get real paranoid. But anyway, from watching the news, how they say the whole social distancing thing, which I can understand that. Like I can keep my distance from somebody, but the only time I really come in contact with people is when we have to convert currency. Like if I buy something at the store or you go to the Mac machine, or the only way we're really touching each other is through currency. So there's definitely about to be cashless society incoming. That's for sure. Tell him, Mr. Kabasi. Now, benefits of a digital currency, and he goes through it too, actually, because if you hit the link, he goes heavy on this one. Zay was quick to point out the challenges that may come with the mass adoption of these assets. Most notably, the current global financial space is not designed to accommodate borderless digital currencies. Yes, those are a select few strong CBDs that come to dominate the world. He starts to refer to as the possible of the dollarization internet of value. Stop playing, M. Grimes. He did an elbow pump. Believe it or not, I like the article where it took you straight to the main article though. Where is it at? Okay, the address right here. Well, the address is much better. Okay, this is the one that's much better right here. He's a deputy managing director, TZ, keynotes address on central bank digital currency. So actually, believe it or not, it's like a lot of stuff here, but he be dropping a lot of gems. But anyway, what he starts saying is, I'll start out by laying that I see some main pros and cons of a CBDC, which is a central bank digital currency. But then he pretty much goes and explains digital currencies issued by a central bank can bring a number of benefits. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. I mean, he starts going into it heavy. So the point of the story is, guys, the system is excited about digital currencies. They're excited about this new asset class of the way the system works. Enhanced financial inclusion. CBDC may provide public digital means for payment without requiring individuals to hold a bank account. Third, more stability and lower barriers for entry into new firms in the payment system, fintechs. In some countries such as Sweden and China, we are observing an increasing concentration of payment systems in the hands of few very large companies. In this context, Some central banks view having their own digital currency as a means to enhance the resilience of payment systems and increase competition in the sector. They scared to death. They shaking in their boots. Big time. They shaking in their boots right now. Especially when you got stuff like this, when you got the FSOC coming out and saying, oh, maybe we should partner with these fintech companies. Formal guidance on bank and fintech partnership is coming. You damn right it is. They're shaking in their boots. So you know what else is coming, John A? Bull run. Whoa. Kalo Fire even made it on my birthday. Huge shout out to Kalo Fire. Good to see you, Kalo. Oh, Kalo. Where you been, dude? Nah, I'm just messing with you. Kalo, good to see you, my brother. Thank you big time in CKJ Crypto. Come on, guys. Show some love out there. Smash that thumbs up. So pretty much, he gives you multiple reasons why there will be the birth of a CBDC. And of course, and I'll make a bold prediction right now. If they already got their CBDC ready to go, and it's already connected to Ripple, why would it? Why would Brad Garlinghouse be on a high level advisory board with the International Monetary Fund unless this is not already what they was working on prior? This is already built, already ready to go. All they gotta do is flip that switch, basically. Basically. NCOG Crypto XRP is gonna defy gravity. Think you got that right. And there's one more thing I want to show you guys in here. You know, one thing they're trying to say is you know, just how much more efficient it makes the system run. So, of course, it's going to have to connect to the Interledger protocol easily. I'm with you on that. There's no doubt about that. You know, one thing, guys, is I was going to wait till the morning show to show you this article right here, too. But I was like, what the hell? Because we do Start Your Day with CKJ where we talk about Binance and Coinbase and, you know, different tokens. But this one kind of caught me off guard right here. Italian bank opens Bitcoin trading to 1.2 million during a lockdown. So, from my understanding, I'm not trying to cause no nervousness either. I'm hearing some wild reports about Italy. Shout out to my Italians. You're in my prayers. I love the Italianos. I love the Italian people. With the Godfather. The Godfather is Al Pacino. Is Al Pacino? Is Al Pacino Italian? Robert De Niro. Robert De Niro. those Italians ain't they? Joe Pesci. Joe Pesci. Yeah, you know I'm playing around on my birthday, guys. I like having fun too. What can I say? So all Italians. I think I'm not sure if I'm not sure if Al Pacino. Now is Al Pacino Italian? I think he is though. But what's so growing crypto adoption and the beer flu outbreaks have encouraged Italy's Banco seller to launch Bitcoin trading service. Uh, the trading is conducted. So wait till they launch that service and find out how slow that is. They're gonna be like, hold up, this. You guys are right about store value, not to move money. The trading is conducted via the bank's Hype platform, with the bank acting as an intermediary to migrate against potential security risks with cryptocurrency exchanges. Oh my God, this is so amazing. This is all coming. Okay, Al Pacino is Italian. Yeah, shout out to Al Pacino. Amazing. You know, a lot of good movies there. What? Uh, Scarface. Scarface. Push it to the limit. All right, anyway. With the country's lockdown and everyone stuck at home, the bank is capital. And this is why I said this is also a good thing for crypto, because a lot more people are sitting home now and they're bored and they're probably scrolling through YouTube. Is anybody watching me right now for the first time out there? It's the first time you stopped by this channel. Oh, huge shout out to Fashad. Good to see you, bro. I think I forgot to give you a shout out the other day when you gave me a super chat. I'm sorry. I apologize. Oh, yeah. Casino, Goodfellas, all them good movies. I used to be into them movies big time when I was younger. Then I had to stop watching those. I was like, I gotta start watching like some motivational stuff. I thought I was Italian. I thought I was Italian. I watched so many of them damn movies. Now I'm just messing with you. So, yeah, the bank is capitalizing on the growing interest of Bitcoin as a safe way to transfer money international in the midst of a crisis. So 1.21 million Italians already use hype. What now? What the hell's that about? So you guys get the point right here that a bank in Italy basically said, hey, that we can use digital currency. And believe it or not, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to dive deeper down this article, and I guarantee it's going to reference to cryptocurrency instead of Bitcoin. They always use Bitcoin as the poster child for the movement. Come on now. There's no way they're moving Bitcoin as to move money, because we already read articles that they had to shut down half the miners in China, and it pretty much, clogged the system, and it was taking transactions forever to go through. So they had to be using a different digital currency. But we get what they're saying. Digital currency is necessary at this moment. Ain't that right, some real guy? Some real guy knows. Smash that like and subscribe. Thank you, Big Time Spanish. Oh, okay. Oh, we do have somebody here for the first time ever. Dixieland, XRP. Thank you so much for being here, bro. I forgot the point of why I was saying that. Nah, I was making a point when I said that. Oh, man, I got a horrible memory. I was making a point about the first time being here. Damn it. Somebody help me out. Chi-Town normally backs me up on this one. Oh, for a shot, I appreciate that, dude. That's for sure. You're like, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. All right. So the point is, guys, too, and also, oh, thank you, Alexander Weed. I appreciate that. Thank you, big time. Yes, for people that are sitting home, that are bored because we're all forced to sit home, here it is right here. The bank is capitalizing on a growing interest in Bitcoin as a safe way to transfer money. Also, I was reading an article that said something very similar to, people are going to be surfing the web, and of course they're going to run across cryptocurrency accidentally, and then once the crypto bug bites you, it's a wrap from there. I see Crypto Queen sitting tall at the top. Thank you again, Crypto Queen. That's amazing. Oh, Kenneth Dean. Kenneth Dean. Yeah, and I want to give a huge shout out to Trust Yourself, too. Is he here, too? Trust Yourself? Yeah, you got that right. I want to give a huge shout out to Trust Yourself, too, because he's been a huge supporter with, just the love and the morning stream, too. Thank you, big time, Trust Yourself. That's for sure. Yeah, and welcome Dixieland XRP, that's for sure. Pretty much we talk about cryptocurrency every night, digital currency, the internet of value, and clearly, one thing I try to stress to people is a lot of big players are involved now, and opportunities are there, but people are, you know, they're getting, people are getting shook out of crypto just by life itself. Like, I was, for example, I ain't gonna say no name or nothing, but I was talking to somebody today, people are forced to stay home, and, so, uh, people got crypto. They've been sitting on that crypto for a while. They've been waiting for this crypto to take off. And then sometimes somebody might have to, dab into their crypto. Unforeseen things happen in life. And that's what sucks the most. Is because that's what's like the hardest part of waiting. It's like, damn, it's okay. If this would have took off, then I could have just did this. But since I'm still waiting and this happened, now I got to do this. But don't worry, it's going to be all right. We're still pioneers. We're going to be good to go, Chuck Real. Happy birthday, bro. Again, sit my birthday in for tomorrow. Happy birthday to you for tomorrow also, bro. Oh, hell yeah. Believe it or not, Dixieland, if you just got into crypto, you are very, very lucky. 30 seconds, I'm pretty sure you just seen what I was saying right here, is Ripple, which, represents XRP, basically is on the IMF, International Monetary Fund. And of course, the Trump thing right here. Trump rolled out the executive order, his first 100 days in office, and in that executive order, Ripple is on 192 and 194. I mean, that's like my three main selling points. I'm not trying to sell you nothing or convince you, but I'm talking about if I run into like my friend, or I'm talking about the digital currency. Have you heard of digital currency? And that was first thing I say. The MoneyGram, the executive order thing, and if that don't convince them, nothing will. Mission XRP, much love to you, bro. Crypto Queen. Oh, Dan Carney, I'm glad you caught me too, bro. That's for sure. Believe it or not, that's one thing I was thinking today, guys. This has been like, for, a lot of people don't know, but, it's been a wild month for me this month. And the Bullish family has been there for me big time. And I really appreciate that more than you guys know this month. So, you guys are amazing. Mac Attack, of course, is always bullish as hell. Mac Attack says XRP price prediction, bounce back from resistance, 20 cent incoming. What are we at, like 17, 16 right now? Matter of fact, are we having a green stream? Let me see one more thing. Let me pull up, and I guys want to show you this right here too. Brad Garlinghouse is playing more games in a little bit on Twitter. Let me pull up Coinbase. Yeah, you ain't lying. For that price right there, we're like, no way. First shot, I think most people are scared. First shot said, I ain't scared. I'm in. I can't wait to go. What he said, Will I am. I can't wait to start coin hopping. Oh man, believe it or not. Oh okay. Market is doing a little something, a little something. That's for sure. Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah. So and that's one main reason, guys, is this right here. This doesn't affect me when I look at the market. It's because of the homework and the research we have done, which I just explained to you guys. But today, Brad Garlinghouse, damn. Today, Brad Garlinghouse was poking at Ashish Burla on Twitter. He says Ashish Burla might just be our product guy, but he usually knows what he's talking about. So, real quick, yeah, guys, matter of fact, on that right there, believe it or not, I don't care what nobody says. On the morning show, when I give you all that Tezos article, I'm trying to tell you. And XRP being at 16 cent right now, what? Come on now. We're talking about sign a deal with MoneyGram. We're talking about utility. We're talking about corridors exploding. We're talking about executive order. We're talking about pioneers. That's what I got to say about that. So, yeah. Hold John A. I know as soon as I said it, I was like, oh, the green stream. But I didn't want to say the red stream. I didn't want to say that. So, yeah. Mission XRP with the super chat. Thank you big time, bro. It's not much. Oh, come on, bro. That's I really appreciate that, dude. That's amazing. It's not much, but here's a beer on me, my brother. Thank you big time, Mission XRP. Bro, you've been a huge supporter, dude. Thanks big time. And first shot, Rohani with the super chat. Happy birthday, CKJ. No worries. Thinking will get better. Just trust in God. And believe it or not, that's what I do. I look at everything like everything happens for a reason. And I look at all these little bumps in the road on the way as opportunities. That's for sure. The internet of value. Tell him, Scotty, too hottie. Right here, guys. Ashish Burla might be just our product guy. I think Brad Garlinghouse is definitely poking at Ashish Burla because they're also referencing to when Ashish, talked to Randy Zuckerberg. And you know what? I just cracked another one. Oh, I just cracked another one, guys. If you think about this, right? So, the big news the last couple of days, right, is Randy Zuckerberg and Ashish Burla talking. Now, Ashish Burla must have said something to her for her to come out and be as bullish as she is on Ripple, right? So, now that I think about it, who is she talking to? Ashish Burla. Now that I go back to what Brad Garlinghouse is saying, is Ashish Burla might just be our product guy. So, hold up. Well, I'm here to tell you, Ashish Burla is a lot more than a product guy. Ashish Burla is on the board of BitSo, which BitSo, I've always said since day one, is phase one of the Phoenix. BitSo is the first company to implement the Ripple technology in like 2015. So it's pretty much been running successful since then. No downtimes, all success, all the way up until, hey, we got what? MoneyGram running to BitSo now. Digital currency group, Visa backing it, MasterCard backing it. BitSo has proven itself big time. And I always said it's phase one. And now Ashish Burla, matter of fact, board member, if Ashish is watching right now, he's like, yeah, tell him who I am, bro. Ashish Burrow, a board member of BitSo right there. That's all I got to say about. Hold up. Damn. Hold on. I think his title just got a lot bigger. Was this here before too? Board member at BitSo, but board observer at MoneyGram. What the hell's a board? I think I remember saying board observer before. But what's a board observer? Can somebody help me out with that right there? Ashish Burrow is a big timer. A lot bigger than I thought originally. Matt with the super chat. That rhymes. Matt with the super chat. Matt with the super chat. Thank you so much, dude. I appreciate that. Enjoy your birthday, boss man. Thanks for your daily information live feeds. We appreciate you and the work you deliver. Matt, I cannot thank you enough, bro. That like means the world to me. Not only can I thank you guys enough for, that support the stream like that, but still, like, when they make a comment like that, like, thank you for your daily information. We appreciate, I appreciate that, and I really appreciate that you appreciate it. Thank you so much, Matt. I appreciate that, bro. Uh-oh. We got a special guest in here. Huh? She only comes in around once in a while. It was nice out today. She must have fired up the boat. The boat named... I'm just messing with you. Michelle XRP, everybody. What up, Michelle? Good to see you. Oh, man. Never failed. Unlike... Yeah, and Grimes never failed like the Lightning Network. And that's why, guys, exactly why. I'm not following BitSo. I can't believe I'm not following BitSo. So here's BitSo right here, guys. And you already know, if you scroll through here, well, it looks like I have to translate everything because it's in Mexico. But that, of course, that's where they wanted to test it first, because make sure it's, less laws. Less laws in Mexico. We can test this thing all day. We got to make sure it's good. Thank you big time, Matt. I appreciate that, bro. Yeah, Rabbit Hole Live. All right. I knew somebody was going to come through for me. John A. A board observer is an individual who attends company board meetings but is not an official board member of the board of directors. Okay, so that's kind of like, you get in the door, which is still good. You're in the room, because once you get in the room, then, you can make all kind of connections in there, that's for sure. Is Bittrex and Binance still good? Is Bittrex in the USA? Binance USA definitely, Coinbase definitely. I think the one Danny just mentioned, Bitstamp or Bitstomp or something. Kraken's another good one. Kraken's a good exchange. So I guess, guys, I'll show you my video right here real quick. So, stuck between doors. Stay safe out there. What the hell? This is my video. What happened to me today? Doorknob. The infamous doorknob. At your request, your cup of coffee from the coffee host at the Pour Bar. Oh, well, you gotta request it. Okay, here comes somebody now. Here comes somebody. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Hey. Oh, we made it to door number 1. Damn it. Now we're stuck. We're stuck between the doors. Stuck between the doors at Wawa. Now here comes somebody now. Oh, let me see here. Oh, perfect. Thank you. I appreciate that. That's how you get... Whoa. If y'all look at the way that girl rubbed across that door handle, though, watch her, because they say don't touch metal. Look how she... Not only does she touch that handle, but she rubs that handle. Watch this. Watch how she touches this door. The second one. Watch. Oh, perfect. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah. Oh, my God. Disgusting. You see that, guys? Not only did she grab the door, but she slid her hand down the whole rail. But anyway... I don't know. I guess I watched a little bit too much news, and they say don't touch nothing too much. So I said, all right, I'm not going to touch nothing. But it's them door handles, because so many people come in and out of them stores, though. So just be safe out there, guys. Because believe it or not, I'm not trying to cause controversy or whatever, but I have been hearing some stuff of people that's kind of close that I don't know. I don't know what to think. Kalo Fire with the super chat. Thank you big time, bro. I really appreciate that. Did I miss something? Sorry that I have been away. I have been in school trying to get my bachelor's in EMS, and papers are due. That's aside. Happy birthday, Kalo Fire. No, of course you didn't miss nothing, bro. Bullish family's more bullish than ever. And I can't wait till you get your bachelor's, bro. That's going to be amazing. And you've been a huge supporter forever, dude. Thank you so much. Okay, bitches in the U.S., not sure where. I think, yeah, Bitches in US. Who got you at CKJ Mods? I'm trying to be like Spanish. Well, what happened with Spanish say? During the funding round, some investors will request. Oh, John A's in here, break. Oh, okay. Damn, John A. During a funding round, some investors will request the right to appoint a board observer. This may or may not be set out in the investment terms. So, and you go back to Bitso real quick. So, yeah, he's on Bitso and MoneyGram. That right there that's insane in itself. MoneyGram, come on, guys. Beatrice is in Seattle. Found out Spanish. All thank you. Yeah, Spanish has been amazing, mod. Thank you so much, Spanish. Big time. That's for sure. Matt, smash that like and subscribe. Yeah, guys, so we also do Start Your Day with CKJ every single day at 11:30 a.m. EST. Smash that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and hit the notification bell so when we go live in the morning, you'll be notified and you won't miss the show. Dixieland XRP. Now, thank you so much, Dixie, for being here. I appreciate that. And XRP Black Hole. And thank you guys so much for all the birthday wishes. And be safe out there, guys, because I don't know what's going on. Me personally, I think it just has something to do with the financial system and going cashless. But then again, I don't know. You never know. What you guys think? Rose, thank you. You guys think we got anything to worry about, or do you think everything will be over within a matter of weeks? Triple Witch for your birthday. Michelle XRP. Thank you big time, Michelle. I really appreciate that. Kalo, you're the man, bro. Thank you big time, XRP Moonrider. XRP Lava. Guys, I think I'll answer that for you. Everything's going to be beautiful. Life's going to be great. We're pioneers. I can't thank you guys enough for the love and support tonight. You guys are amazing. Some real Bullish Brodus. Hold on. Oh, that's right. Bullish Brodus. I ran into you on Twitter earlier. BC. Crypto Queen. XRP Lava, Bet the Vet, Jeffrey Ford, Scotty Too Hottie, Malachi Lawrence, Montana Crypto Love, Carl Eric B, J Kills, James Lamarco, Allison Kershaw, Alumni DMAC, Trust Yourself, DMAC, XRP Snake, Viking. Thank you guys. Much love to you. Thank you guys so much for being here. You guys made my birthday. You guys made my birthday big time. Thank you. Some real guy. Thank you for being here, bro. Cambo. Thank you, bro. Rose. Kennethine. Dan Barney. Spanish Fly. Whoa. Chi-Town with the last minute super chat. Chi-Town, thank you big time, bro. Happy birthday. Thank you for all your info and the Bullish family. One love. Hollywood Viper. Star in the making. Well, time for me to jump down the rabbit hole. Much love. Thank you guys big time. Oh yeah, Hollywood Viper, you see that? Surprised you with that.